Otorobupegi about Otorobupegi like Otorobupegi. Mother Boko, get out of Quakanya, get out of walk it, you fucking share you share one, on one, I know one. Easy. Guys, I'm not going to curse people. This video is for you to know when they curse you, not to curse. Because God does not allow us to abuse people, right? Yes, God is not allowed to abuse people, okay? So it's just for you to know when you're being abused and the meaning of it, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite baby girl. It's your girl, Igbo Nono. Yay! Yes guys, in today's video, I have this interesting video I want to film for you guys today. You know, when you're trying to learn a language, first thing you learn is insult, right? Yes, I'm going to teach you guys insults in Igbo language so that you don't allow somebody to insult you without knowing the meaning of what the person is saying. Yes, so guys, before I dive into this video, I want to remind you guys to please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and if you don't, please still give it a thumbs up because the girl is putting on hard work here. Yes, sis, I make notes for this. I take my time to do this. So just because of that, subscribe to this channel. I find out that most of my views, I find out that people that are watching my videos mostly are not subscribe to my channel, because YouTube actually gives us analytics of this. So I found that out as well. So please, before you continue watching, before you forget to subscribe, as you have come in, please just subscribe now so you don't forget, please. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into this video. It means you should just misbehave, like you should just get out of here like a, in fact, like a cow, like like just get out of this place, you know, just get out of this place. You say ewu. Yes, you know the normal goat you see, it's also an insult in Igbo. Ewu, you know how goat behaves, like aimlessly. Someone is telling you directly you're very aimless. When somebody calls you ewu, it means you're aimless. Ewu. Another one is atoro. I think actually atoro is worse than ewu, because those ones, they don't even know anything. They don't even, ewu even knows something. Atoro knows nada. Nada. So when somebody tells you atoro, reply the person. Please, I'm not teaching you guys how to insult. The reason for this video is to know when you are insulted, not how to insult. Please, when you are insulted and not how to insult, okay? Nketala, mad dog. When somebody calls you Nketala, person is telling you practically that you're a mad dog. You know how mad dogs behave. That's Nketala, mad dog. Toro toro. Toro toro. Let me tell you, you know how toro toro neck is now. That's a color. Toro toro. Somebody tells you to only iberibe. Only iberibe. It means to be a mad person. Only iberibe. Only iberibe. Mad person. Onyala. Mad person as well. Onyala. Onye ala. Mad person as well. Onyala. Mad person as well. Mad person. Onye ala. Ethiopia. If somebody tells you Ethiopia, just know you know body. You have body odor. You are smelling, you have body odor. Easy or fear. Your clothes is dirty, you have body odor, you don't know. You only wearing dirty clothes. Easy or fear. Someone is telling you a dirty person, you're a dirty pig. Easy or fear. Easy bida. That is the easy of the whole easies. When somebody tells you easy bida, easy bida is worse than easy or fear. Like easy bida. No mekwatarism. No, you're finished. Ezibida. Iru enwe. Iru enwe. Iru enwe. Monkey face. Iru enwe. Monkey face. Onye imofia. Village person. Onye imofia. Somebody is practically telling you a village person, but doesn't know how to, you know, tell you to your face. Onye imofia. You don't know anything. Village person. You don't know anything. Onye imofia. If record. Somebody tells you if record. See the way you're looking. If record. When someone doesn't even have much to tell you, like the person is looking down, the person has looked down on you to the latter. if record, like, first practically you're not my class. Like me and you are not in the same category. If record. Chineke Bogoko. Ah, God should deal with you. God should finish you. Chineke Bogoko. God should finish you. That's the meaning. God should finish you. Chineke Bogoko. Amadio Habukwegi. As in the God of thunder should kill you. Amadio Habukwegi. Nketa la takwaganya. Hey. Dog should lick your eye. The person must be very angry with you saying Nketa la takwaganya. Nketa la takwaganya. Ah. It's an abuse though. Don't take it for the person. Don't take it. Sis, fight back. I didn't say she fight back. Kete la takwagona. Kete la takwagona. Like, you must have said like, if I don't know. Guys, just know it's an abuse, okay? Don't take it from the person. The person abused it practically, okay? Otorobukwegi. Otorobukwegi is also an insult. It's also an insult practically. Otorobukwegi about Otorobukwegi, like Otorobukwegi. You fucking share it. You share it. Guys, I'm not going to curse people. This video is for you to know when they curse you, not to curse, because God does not allow us to abuse people, right? Yes, God is not allowed to abuse people, okay? So it's just for you to know when you're being abused and the meaning of it, okay? So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned one or two. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, something is coming on this channel very soon. Please pray for me, support me by subscribing. Is when I see your subscription and your views, I know I am together with somebody. I know I have community that is supporting what I'm doing, because I'm really planning something in future on this channel very soon. That's why I'm really working around it and learning and everything. So guys, please subscribe to this channel and also do have a wonderful day. Bye.